Welcome to a brand new video on our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest market movements of Super Micro Computer Inc. NASDAQ, SMCI, analyzing its recent stock performance, analyst opinions, and institutional investments. Make sure to watch till the end for a complete breakdown of what this means for investors. Super Micro Computer Inc. NASDAQ, SMCI witnessed a 4% drop in its stock value during Tuesday's trading session. The share price dipped to a low of $39.80 before slightly rebounding to end the day at $40.93, reflecting a noticeable decline from its previous closing value of $42.65. The company's stock experienced an increased trading volume of about 46.5 million shares, surpassing its daily average of roughly 42.2 million shares by 10%. Recent analyst ratings have fueled discussions regarding the company's future, with some firms expressing confidence while others remain cautious. On December 20th, Northland Capital upgraded its stance on Super Micro Computer, assigning it a strong buy rating in anticipation of potential growth. Similarly, CFRA adjusted its rating from hold to buy and introduced a price target of $48. Conversely, JP Morgan Chase & Company retained its underweight stance on the stock despite raising its price target from $23 to $35. Meanwhile, Loop Capital demonstrated an optimistic outlook, elevating its target price from $40 to $50 and categorizing the stock as a buy. Northland Securities also revised its price target, moving from $54 to $57 while reaffirming an outperform rating. Despite some positive outlooks, market sentiment remains mixed. Among analysts covering the stock, 3 have issued a sell recommendation, 10 suggest holding, 5 advocate buying, and 1 has labeled it a strong buy. MarketBeat.com reports that the prevailing consensus rates Super Micro Computer as a hold, with an average price target of $60.20. Over recent months, Super Micro Computer stock has displayed volatility. Its 50-day moving average sits at $33.51, while the 200-day moving average is slightly higher at $40.31. Financially, the company appears stable, with a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.32. Additionally, its current ratio of 3.77 and quick ratio of 1.93 suggests strong liquidity, indicating the firm's ability to meet its short-term obligations. With a market capitalization of $24.76 billion, Super Micro Computer maintains a price-to-earnings PE ratio of 21.23, implying a reasonable valuation based on earnings performance. Furthermore, the stock carries a beta of 1.30, reflecting moderate volatility, with fluctuations slightly exceeding the overall market's movements. Institutional investors and hedge funds have actively adjusted their holdings in Super Micro Computer, highlighting shifting confidence in the stock. Some key institutional movements include CWM LLC. This investment management firm increased its stake by 11.7% in the third quarter, bringing its total holdings to 2,773 shares valued at around $1.16 million after adding 290 shares. Livförsäkringsbolaget Skandia Ömsesidigt. The Swedish insurance company expanded its investment significantly, boosting its stake by 252.8% in the third quarter. This brings its holdings to 374 shares worth approximately $156K, following the purchase of 268 additional shares. Exchange Traded Concepts LLC. This firm increased its stake by 276.9%, now holding 1,779 shares valued at $741K after acquiring 1,307 shares in the last quarter. Creative Planning. A well-established investment advisory firm, Creative Planning expanded its holdings by 9.1%. bringing its total ownership to 9,038 shares valued at $3.76 million after adding 755 shares. Prospect Financial Services LLC. This firm recently entered the market, acquiring a new stake in Super Micro Computer worth around $208K during the third quarter. Overall, institutional investors and hedge funds collectively hold 84.06% of Super Micro Computer's stock, showcasing strong backing from key financial players who see long-term potential in the company. The stock's recent movement, combined with varying analyst perspectives, suggests a period of uncertainty for Super Micro Computer. While several firms have upgraded their ratings and set higher price targets, some analysts remain cautious, casting doubts on the company's ability to maintain steady growth in a highly competitive landscape. The increased trading volume observed on Tuesday could indicate heightened interest from investors, possibly influenced by analyst revisions or broader market trends. As a result, keeping an eye on the company's upcoming earnings reports and strategic developments will be crucial in evaluating its financial health and future prospects. Supermicro Computer specializes in high-performance computing solutions, particularly energy-efficient server technology. The company offers a diverse range of servers, storage systems, and networking equipment designed for businesses across various industries. With a strong emphasis on sustainability, Supermicro Computer has positioned itself as a leader in green computing, a factor that could provide a competitive edge in the ever-evolving tech sector. Stock volatility. The recent 4% decline underlines the inherent volatility of Supermicro Computer's stock, highlighting the importance of considering risks before making investment decisions. Analyst sentiment. While some analysts have raised their ratings and price targets, mixed opinions in the market indicate uncertainties surrounding the company's future performance. Institutional support. The strong presence of institutional investors signals confidence in the company's long-term potential. Financial stability. Supermicro Computer's solid liquidity ratios and manageable debt levels contribute to its financial resilience, an important factor for navigating fluctuating market conditions. Growth prospects. With a focus on green computing and technological innovation, the company is well positioned for long-term expansion, provided it continues adapting to industry trends and maintaining a competitive stance. Supermicro Computer's recent stock activity reflects both challenges and opportunities for investors. While the 4% drop in value may be a cause for concern, the rising trading volume and diverse analyst ratings suggest that market interest in the stock remains strong. Investors should closely monitor the company's financial performance and strategic advancements to assess whether it presents a viable investment opportunity. In an industry driven by rapid technological advancements, companies like Supermicro Computer must continuously innovate to stay ahead. For investors, staying informed and evaluating market trends carefully can be crucial in making sound investment decisions within the dynamic tech sector. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.